Hey, gorgeous. Let's talk about Law 46. Watch for envy. Your talents and achievement will generate envy. The envious will work quietly against you. To forestall or mitigate envy, admit to a flaw or weakness, emphasize the role of luck, or downplay your talents. Envy is extremely dangerous. Recognize it and don't let it escalate. Dealing with envy. When someone becomes jealous of you, they often work quietly against you and can cause a lot of harm before you realize it. It's important to watch for signs and take steps to minimize envy. As wise and resilient you are, let the strength of generations guide you on your journey. Life's challenges are stepping stones to your dreams. Embrace patience and purpose, for you are weaving a masterpiece of triumph. Stand tall, my sisters, for the world awaits your unique brilliance.